Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you about different apps, about different browsing sites you can use to earn money. Yeah, you heard that right. You can literally browse your internet and you can web surf all day long and it can make you money. So, without any extra ado, let me show you how. The first website we have is this Nansen Computer Panel. This app runs in the background and collects anonymous browsing data to help companies understand internet trends. In return, you can get paid cash, gift cards, and the best part, you don't have to change anything about how you browse. It's everything same, it just runs in the background. And the user rating for this is approx 3.5. Now, moving on to the next one, we have Brave Browser. So, it's the Brave browser is basically a privacy-focused browser that blocks any annoying ads, trackers, and and disturbing things. But here's the hack: you can opt to see privacy-respecting ads and get paid in bad cryptocurrency. So just by using a faster and safer browser, you're earning crypto. It is so simple. Like you have a safe private browsing site and you're also earning on the top of that, which is such a nice deal. Now, the next we have is Mobile Expression, and this one works on your phone basically, and it pays you for collecting browsing data. You don't have to do anything, you just have to install the app and keep using the phone as you usually do, and you just watch how the money comes to you. So I'm pretty sure like no none of us knew that browsing the internet can be a passive income stream. But here we go. These are the three things through which you can earn. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.